Under arrest.
Shut up! Shut up! This is a drama! Shut up! My head is just so bending. On the board.
Put your hand right here.
On the 30th of August 2025, officers in Paramus, New Jersey, responded to a retail property in Bergen County. 4 charges were filed: theft, criminal trespass, resisting arrest, and battery on an officer. This is a legal analysis of whether those charges were constitutionally and statutorily supported. The arrest began on legally solid ground. Under New Jersey Revised Statute 2C 18-3, a prior trespass notice constitutes the actual notice required to establish criminal trespass.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm not talking
Okay, wait. Well, you gotta talk to me. You gotta talk to me.
I'm not going.
Listen to me.
Just shut up! How can you touch me?
I'm allowed to touch you.
You cannot! Without permission, you cannot! Don't you dare do that!
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Roll over! My
Stand. You got a cup over here?
Yeah.
Put a cup on.
What's their location? Security stating that they're at the back wall and that Alpha 3 is currently physically fighting with that individual.
Got one on? All right, hurry.
1 and 2, just be advised that we have Sergeant Maywood out there.
Oh, my head.
Alpha 3, I have one under.
Steve Alpha 3.
Get up.
Oh, my head.
Let's go.
Who are you?
91999.
Get on you!
3 Steve Echo 1.
Why are you?
You can't come out with Alpha 3.
No. No. Get in here. Hold on, sir.
What is happening? It's wrong! It's all wrong! What are you doing? Mazak kamana! What the fuck?
Calm down.
Shut up! You don't
I'm gonna take
care!
this off.
Shameless person! Oh, he turned my head so badly.
Take this off. No. Keep your arm here. Stop. Stop resisting. Okay.
She's been trespassed before, so we'll that.
Okay.
You remember it.
Yeah, I do. You guys have information on her or no?
The subject had been formally trespassed from this property on multiple prior occasions. The moment she returned, she had already completed the offense before she interacted with a single employee. The security officer was operating under New Jersey's merchant detention privilege, which authorizes retail agents to detain suspected trespassers for a reasonable time and through reasonable means. His on-camera testimony confirmed the subject returned repeatedly, destroyed property in the restroom, and physically attacked him when he attempted her removal. That attack is the factual basis for the battery charge under N.J.S.A. 2C 12-1, subsection B5. When the responding officer applied physical control, the governing standard is Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989. The Supreme Court held that force during arrest must satisfy objective reasonableness. Judged from the officer's perspective at the moment of application, 3 factors govern: severity of the offense, whether the subject posed a threat, and whether she was actively resisting. All 3 cut in the officer's favor. The subject had already committed battery. The resistance was not passive. It was sustained and physical throughout the handcuffing sequence. The force applied was proportionate and stopped once she was secured.
Shut up! Shut up! This is a drama! Shut up! Shut up!
Alpha 288. Echo 1, no further.
My shoes are there!
Receive Echo 1. We'll cancel Maywood.
I hate you!
That one. Echo 1. We're gonna need transporting shortly to the other breakers on that.
It's a head गणेश भगवान जी कभी माफ नहीं करना ये हरामजादों को कुत्ते भागों कभी ना माधवचंद में शूज आ गए नाटक खेल रहे भांचोरा इसके माँ का बोझड़ा 9/11 में इतना वेस्ट चूतिया कहेंगे कि एक नंबर के हरामजादे कभी ना माधव चौदह कभी जिंदगी में अच्छे नहीं रहेंगे माधव चौदह गणेश भगवान जी के दिन ऐसा करते साले तुम्हारी कंट्री को प्रोटेक्ट करी मैं कुत्ते कमीने हरामजादे सारी जिंदगी में फेलियर थे तुम लोग एक 16 ईयर की बच्ची को नहीं बचा सके तुम लोग क्या आदमी है हरामजादे कमीने कुत्ते जोर से सर पे मार लगा 48 इयर्स की हूँ मैं हरामजादा कमीना नीच मार लो कमीना नाचे
I don't know any of the story.
All I know is that they said they wanted her off. I went to approach her.
She's been trespassed before. I've actually trespassed. Yeah.
And then she started swinging on me. So then we went down.
All right. Ag assault, resisting, trespassing.
So she was on property and then you were...
Yeah, she was in the bathroom doing her usual. She's been trespassed multiple times. She's in the bathroom stuffing toilet paper and everything she can stuff it in. We told her to leave. She left. She came back. She left. She came back. She was just pouring bottles of water in there. I asked her to leave again. Started yelling and screaming at me. And that's when you pulled up and then she immediately... Whatever you need. So they will get me.
All right, cool. Thank you. Yeah, I'm okay.
We're all trespassing on there, though. Definitely.
Okay.
She's been trespassed.
On the resisting arrest charge, N.J.S.A. 2C 29 2 subsection A1 makes preventing an arrest a disorderly person's offense. Subsection A3 elevates it to a third-degree crime. The moment the subject uses physical force against the officer, third degree in New Jersey carries 3 to 5 years and a $15,000 fine. The battery on the security officer, combined with sustained physical resistance during handcuffing, satisfies that elevated threshold. Throughout the encounter, the subject made extensive, voluntary statements in English and in Hindi without being asked a single question. Miranda versus Arizona protects against compelled statements during custodial interrogation. It does not apply to voluntary outbursts. Those declarations are fully admissible and require no suppression analysis. The subject claimed the officer could not touch her without permission. That claim has no legal foundation. A lawful arrest under the Fourth Amendment authorizes the physical control necessary to secure the subject. Const is not an element. At processing, the subject refused to remove a religious item. Courts have consistently held that standard booking procedures, including jewelry inventory, do not constitute a First Amendment free exercise violation, absent a substantial burden on a protected religious practice. The item was inventoried, not destroyed. No constitutional violation occurred.
Come on now. One foot. The other foot.
leave my head.
Let's go.
Get out of the car.
No one told you to fight
So
me.
much with the
Get out of the car. Let's go. Seriously. Hold on. Let's have an honest conversation. If we're gonna have this problem the whole
Stand
life,
up. All her stuff is in the front.
Step up.
It hurt me. She broke.
Do not spit.
मेरा भागो मादर चोद कुत्ता भागो मेरा काम मेरा हेड
So far now,
कमीने 9/11 हुआ था तुम लोग का कमीने भागो FBI agent I hate you
okay.
कुत्ता भागो failure you are a failure FBI agent
Let's go.
world laughed at you
Let's go.
you know me and my children protected
Right back here.
shame on you
Thank you, thank you. All right, face this wall right here, right? Easy enough? Perfect, thank you.
my head is just so paining on the board
Put your hand right here. Put your hand right here.
This is the value we have. Protecting millions of people, this is the value you do. Shame on you! That's my word, you know. Shame on you, FBI agent. It's a George Claudius.
You got it.
Spread your legs open. Take a seat. Give me all your jewelry. Take that off.
She have a pin in her hair too.
What do you have in your hair? You checked out. Do you have any other jewelry on you? You need to take this off.
No, I cannot. This is God's. I cannot take it. It's a thread.
Okay. What is this?
This is.
You have to take that
God's.
off.
Should be good.
This is God's.
You have to
That's
take
fine.
that off.
God will watch you from above. Any other jewelry?
No.
All right. Sit over here on this side. What hand do you write with?
Right hand.
Take your shoe off. And take your foot. You can hold on to those.
Yeah, right, perfect. EMS here. You guys are great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
She speaks English?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Condition very polite.
Somebody grab.
Probably not yet, but we'll get it momentarily.
I'll look it up.
Security Officer Alpha 3, Grade B. He operated within lawful authority, correctly escalated to law enforcement, and delivered specific, credible testimony that established probable cause for every charge filed. The grade reflects one limitation. The pre-arrival struggle was not captured on available camera. Without documentation, the reasonableness of his force in that window cannot be independently verified. Arresting Officer, Grade A-. Commands were clear, repeated, and professional. Force was applied only after verbal measures failed, discontinued the moment the subject was secured. No punitive contact was observed. Processing was conducted strictly by procedure. 1 point is withheld for informal commentary during processing. Under professional standards, a neutral acknowledgement of the subject's religious concern was the appropriate response. Subject, Grade D. Every decision made on this date moved her legal position from bad to worse. She completed criminal trespass before contact occurred. She converted a trespass removal into a battery charge. She elevated a disorderly person's offense to a third-degree crime through physical resistance. And she produced a prolonged evidentiary record through voluntary statements without being asked a single question by law enforcement. 3 takeaways from this encounter. First, a prior trespass notice is not a warning. It is a completed legal act. Returning to banned premises is a criminal offense under N.J.S.A. 2C 18-3, regardless of conduct on the return visit. Second, the degree of a charge is not fixed at arrest. Resistance escalates it. Physical force during resistance converts a disorderly person's offense into a third-degree crime. Every layer of noncompliance upgrades criminal exposure. Third, voluntary statements carry the same evidentiary weight as answers to direct questions. Miranda protects against compulsion. It does not protect against a person who cannot stop talking. Silence is a right. Using it costs nothing. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for more police interaction and courtroom content.